Our lecture this evening will look at the job analysis process. There are 6 steps in the job analysis process. The first is planning the job analysis. In the planning stage, we decide how the information that will be collected will be used. This helps in determining the data and the method to be utilized. For example, the interviewing method is good if we're looking to develop a job description, while a quantitative method would be better if the aim of the job analysis process is for compensation. The second step in the job analysis process is preparing for the job analysis. At this stage, we review background information, looking at the organizational chart, one, to assess the reporting relationships. Secondly, we want to look at the process charts. How does jobs flow within the organization? And the third thing that we want to look at is the division of labor. We also need to assess the old or current job description. The third step in the process is collecting or conducting the job analysis. At this stage, we decide which jobs will be analyzed. Now, you would agree with me that it's not economically viable to analyze 200 of the same job. And so by virtue of that, if you have 200 customer service agents, it would suit you better to select 5 of those agents and analyze the job instead of analyzing the entire 200 persons. The fourth phase in the process is to physically analyze the job. Here, the data is collected on the job activities performed by the employee. We're looking at the knowledge, skills, and abilities that are required. We're also seeking to assess the job content, what exactly is carried out by the employee, and we also need to look at the work method. What method will be used to collect the information? The fourth thing, I think we're now up to the fifth one actually, is to evaluate the job analysis. Verifying information with the worker performing the job. So here you have a cross-checking taking place, a check and balance. Where after the information has been collected, the analyst will go back to the employee and verify the information. And at this stage, we're speaking about evaluating the job analysis. The sixth and final stage in the process is to write your job description and your job specification. Now, the job description outlines the duties, responsibilities, reporting relationships of the job, while the job specification looks at the knowledge, skills, and abilities required to do the job.